You guys hear that? That's kind of weird. I don't know where it's coming from. Oh, hi. You two people, thank you for stopping by. Let's talk about noise when you're driving your car. Sometimes you drive a 30 years old car, even 10 years old, starting to have a noise here and there, right? Now, I tell a lot of my friends that, sometimes you drive an old car, just let the noise, on and you enjoy it, Why they say that? Because the benefit of driving an old car, you're not paying any penny on it, then you just let the noise bother you, right? And ignore it. Unless it's severe noise that the car gonna be falling apart, then yeah, fix it. But if little here and there noise, all kind of noise coming in, and you want to fix it. Now let's say you fix here, cost you another $100, and there another 100, 200, 300, and you pile up with so many, noise and so much money. And you can't afford it because you drive an old car. So bushing here, bushing there, all kind of leaking, all kind of noise coming follow you because it want you to fix it. And you take to the dealership or you take to any auto mechanic, they will say, yeah, you got a problem here, you got a problem there, and then you need to fix all kind of problem, right? So now sometimes you don't have that kind of money. That's why you don't want to fix it. If you want to fix that old car, then you buy a new car already, So just enjoy your noise from the car. Now, kind of more a joke, but I'm serious. If you drive an old car and you cannot be like, have no noise on a 20 years old car. So unless it's severe noise, then you fix it. But if not, little here and there, then just ignore it. Okay. Now my tip is, keep your money. Don't go see your shop so much for a little noise, because that is not vibrated when you step on your brake. Doesn't vibrate it, and you steer, does not vibrate it or noise coming from them. Don't worry, it won't put you down on the middle of the road. Okay, because sometimes little noise here because of bushing, all kind of bushing, car bushing in the chassis, low control arm, upper control arm, and all the shock and all kind of bushing, making noise, and then you keep throwing money to it, and then this guy will say this, and then he fix it, does not stop it, and this guy will take another money from you and doesn't fix it, right? So if you want to fix all kind of noise on that, just go buy another new car, because the payment is not that expensive. Now it's a 7-8 year already payment plan, and don't buy an expensive car like $30,000, $50,000 one. Just buy a cheap car and payment plan for leasing or whatever for 3-4 years, and then buy another car. You will never have any problem with that, But that is not the benefit of noise thing. So just driving your old car and ignore small noise, but fix major noise, but not a small noise. Okay, something like going to show you right now. Fix it. You can, if you don't have to fix it, you can dragable. But some noise like this, hey, sometimes you got a nice friend, like maybe girlfriend or boyfriend or whatever, embarrassing thing, yeah, fix it. But little noise here and there, old car always have noise on it. So let's follow me to the car that I'm going to show you how to fix the noise, and that will helping you do your work. I'm not a pro, you are the pro. So you leave me in the comments and then help me fix other people's car and help yourself fix your own car. Alright, thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by my channel, and hope you subscribe to keep my channel grow. That is help me a lot. Thank you for watching. Bye bye now. This car making noise. It's a 99 Honda Accord. Don't know where the noise coming from. When you do this, okay, It sounds like coming from right there. When you listen to this side, it sounds like you coming from the shock. Okay. Yeah. Don't know where coming from. Don't know where it's coming from. I'm gonna take the tires out. Even though I turn the wheels, still making noise. So I'm gonna jack the cars up to see it's still making noise. If only making noise when it have load on it. So that means it had to be coming from the shock or something. Let me take out the tire to see if where's that coming from. From here, I spray something to loop right there, and right there, still making noise. So let me go under the car to see if anything coming from. So using that board to sit on that board so I can have a load on the vehicle and try to see where that coming from under the car. It sounds like more coming from the stabilizer bar bushing right here, but I'm not sure where it's coming from either. So I'm going to lube this two bolt right here to see if that noise go away. If I loosen this, the noise go away, so that means coming from right there. Nope. It's more like the shock and coming from up there, so probably have to replace the shock. That's the only choice I have. Sounds like coming up from here or right here somewhere. So I'm going to lube this upper control arm ball joint right here and try to use my hand doing up and down on this arm to see if that will stop where coming from right there. See, don't make no noise either. So that means it's not from here. Let's see from here. So it had to be from the shock, because the shock is when you have a load on it. That's why it's making noise from the shock. See something right there? It could coming from right here too. Any crack like that, it can make noise. But when I have load on it, it doesn't sound like from right here. After I spray the loop to the shock right there and the lower control arm bushing, the noise stopped making noise? No, there's no more noise than that. So possible is the shock and the low control arm, but I would say that more likely like low control arm more than anything, because the low control arm is control up and down on that play, so that's what making noise. So no more noise on that. So I'm thinking I will replace the low control arm first, try to see if that will helping that noise. Okay, first I thought the shock, but now it's more like control arm. Hopefully something like this will work. Long extension bar like this. God, cranking sounds already. Oh my God. That worked. That worked. Alright, let's see in the front. Oh, the front one is different. Front one can't get a socket on it. Work. Killing me. There. This is 17. That's a new one. let's make test again. So it's good now. Just the low control arm. What happened is camera cannot see it, but it's torn all the way to right here. Okay, both sides. So that make the noise. All right. Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.